To check which version of Word has been used to create a document, we will have to extract the document. For that, we create a copy of it and then we change the file name extension from docx to zip. And by the way, if you don't see the file name extension in your Windows Explorer, simply click on View, Show, and activate them there. In the next step, we unzip the file by doing a right click on it and either selecting Extract All, or if you have the software WinRAR, you could also use that to extract the file. Then we open the extracted folder and go into the docprops subfolder. Here we open the app.xml file, and in that file you will see an app version tag. The number inside this tag correlates to the specific Microsoft Office version, and in this example you can see that the document has been created with the Office 2016 version. If you want to support the creation of these short and efficient videos, then you could do me a huge favor by hitting the like and the subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and I see you in the next one.